stuck to the inside of my hat. So I'm just gonna pop up without them. Just kidding. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Best Vlog and Tech Show. Today we're here to talk. What did we?
Here's another blooper reel.
Yeah, I know. Go ahead and cut it. Sorry, man. Sorry.
Giving up on the glasses, are we?
Yep.
Motherfucker.
Yep. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Best Vlog and Tech Show. I am Flock, this is my tech show. We're here to quickly talk about LG, 47 inches of career in glory. Yep. On the next Vlog and Tech Show, we are going, On the next Vlog and Tech Show, we are going to repair this SOB. And we already got the LED for it. All we have to do is do a simple replacement. Thank you. Yeah. Ooh. Anyway, on the next Vlog and Tech Show, we're going to repair it for you. So don't miss out.